Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen reports. In this video, we will see dashboard in Salesforce. So in introduction video, we have seen dashboard is the graphical representation of the data generated by a report or multiple reports at a certain point in time. So at particular time instance, whatever the data shown by the report, that data is represented by dashboard in graphical format. So basically, it is a graphical representation of the report. So it's a snapshot of data. To obtain the latest data, you need to refresh them either manually or in a scheduled manner. So that I have told. So at particular time instance, whatever the data shown by the report, so it is represented by the dashboard, right? If you want latest data, so you have to refresh it either manually or in a scheduled manner. Next, tabular reports can be used to generate horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, pie chart, but cannot be used for scatter chart, gauge, metric chart. So that also we have seen, right? So what we will do, we will log in Salesforce Developer or we will see how to create dashboard for summary and matrix report. Then we will see how to create dashboard for tabular report, and then at the end we will see how to create dashboard for giant report. Okay. So see, here we have logged in Salesforce Developer org. Here we have tab reports and dashboard, right? So in introduction video, I have told how to create these tabs. If you are not knowing, so see, here we have an option, all tabs. So from here, we can access dashboards. So see, scroll down. Here you can find dashboards, right? Here we have link dashboards. And if you want to create tab, so see here, add tabs to your default display, customize my tabs. So click on this, scroll down. So see here I have added dashboards, right? So from this side we have to click on this add button and you have to add on this side, right? So by this you can add tab to your this tab bar, right? Okay. Now see, we'll click on dashboards. Now see, we'll create our first dashboard. So we'll click on new dashboard. Now see, on left hand side we have two tabs, components and data sources. So components show different graphs and data sources. So from here we can take report. And this side, here it is showing content of our dashboard. Okay, now see. So here we have horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, line chart, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart, gauge, metric, table, and here we have visual force page. Okay, now see what we'll do, we'll drag and drop this horizontal bar chart like this. Now see, here we have drag and drop this chart, right? Bar chart, horizontal bar chart. Here it is shown. See, here it is written horizontal bar chart. Now see, data sources also we have to add. So from here we have to add reports, right? So see, my personal custom reports. So what we'll do, we'll see dashboard for the summary and matrix report. So see, for summary and matrix report, dashboard will be similar. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll add summary report. So see, we have this summary report like this. So we have drag and drop summary report. Now see, so our graph will look like this, right? Now see, here we have this option, narrow, so it will make smaller one, medium, so medium size, wide, so it will be wide size, right? So see, we'll choose narrow. Okay. Now see, here we have option for settings, right? So see, here if I click on this, so here it is written edit attributes. Now see, we'll click on this. So here we can add different setting for our graph or chart. So see, in formatting, we have this sort rows by maximum value displayed, axis range, legend position, data labels. And here on component data, we have x-axis. Okay, what should be shown on x-axis, what should be shown on y-axis. So if you want to group, so here we have option group by. So if you take auto, so see, likewise we can choose one, something like this. Okay. Then here we have combination chart. So suppose extra information that you want to show in our chart, so that you can do by using combination charts. Then display units. So see, auto, whole units, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions. Okay, in what form you want data, so accordingly you can choose this option. Okay, then drill down to, now what is the meaning of this? See, when we click on this chart, so what should get opened? So see, option is given source report. So see, if you click on this, whatever the source report is there, that will get opened. Now see, what is another option? Filtered source report. What is the meaning of filtered source report? So that also we'll see. Okay, so first we'll see source report. See, we'll click on OK. Now see, we will save this dashboard. So see, here we have option save. Okay, we'll give some name. So for example, see, test 1 summary report dashboard, something like this. Okay, and in which folder you want to save? So see, here I am choosing my personal dashboards. Save. Okay, so it is already existing, so we'll make it new. Okay, now we'll click on save. Now we'll click on this option close. Here it is asking save and close. Okay, so we'll click on save and close. So see, this is our dashboard. So up till now we have added only one chart or one graph, right? Now see, on this graph or chart, here we have this hyperlink. So if we click on this, we will get our summary report. So see, we have chosen option source report, right? That's why we got this summary report from which that dashboard is created like this. Now see, we will choose another option, filtered source report. So now see, what we will do, we'll go to back. Okay, we'll click on edit. Okay, now see, so again we will click on these settings, edit attributes, and here in component data, we'll choose option filtered source report. Okay, now see, now we'll click on OK. Okay, so save, we'll click on close, save and close. Okay, so see, dashboard got open, right? Now see here, so previously there was hyperlink to this part also, right? Now see, when we take cursor over this bar, then only we have hyperlink, right? Here there is no hyperlink, but when we take this cursor over this bar, then we have the hyperlink, right? Now see, if we click on this, so here we are getting filtered summary report or filtered source report. What is the meaning of filtered source report? So see, so we have clicked on one bar, right? So accordingly, our report got filtered like this. So we have clicked on bar which is showing customer direct data, right? We have clicked on the bar which is showing customer direct data. So that's why this report got filtered by customer direct, right? And only that data it is showing. It is showing data which has type equals customer direct. So this is called as a filtered source report. Means here don't have the complete report. Here we have filtered source report on which bar we have clicked. Accordingly, we have got this summary report and this source report, right? Okay, so this is the meaning of filtered source report. Now see, we'll click on this back button. Okay, and see, if I click on this, so here you can see, now it is filtered by the customer dash channel, right? Previously it was filtered by customer dash direct. Now it got filtered by the customer dash channel, and now it is showing data where type is equal to customer dash channel, right? So this is called a filtered source report. Now we'll click on edit. Okay, so see, so in component data we have seen the option, right? Filtered source report. Now see, third option is record detail page. Okay, so if we click, we'll get record detail page. Fourth option is other URL. Okay, so if you click on this, here we have to provide URL. So if we click on this, so that particular URL will get opened. Okay, so see, we'll choose source report and we'll click on OK. Like this. So we have seen these options, right? Now see, here we have edit header. So some header we want to give, so that also we can give. So see, here we will give accounts data, and we can also give footer. So see, with revenue, something like this. So here we can give header and also we can give footer, right? We can also edit title. So see, something like this. Horizontal bar chart for account, something like this. Okay. Likewise, in dashboard, we can add this horizontal bar chart. In the same way, we can add a remaining chart. See, reports. So see, we'll take summary report like this, components, this, data sources, summary report. So see, what we'll do, we'll copy summary report like this. So likewise, you can add these summary reports, and here we'll add components. So see, here we'll add this graph. Now see, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart, gauge, metric, table. So likewise, we can add different types of charts here, right? So first we have to drag a report, and then we have to drag the chart or graph. Okay, so these extra dashes will remove. So see. So likewise, we can add up to 20 dashes or 20 charts. Now so we'll save this and we'll open our dashboard. So see, we'll click on close, save and close. So see, this is how our dashboard will look like. So we have added all charts, right? So this is how our dashboard will look like this. Now see, to go back to folder, we'll click on this go to dashboard list. Okay, so see, we have seen how to create dashboard for the summary report. Okay, in the same way, it can be created for the matrix report. Okay, now we'll see how to create dashboard for the tabular report. Here already we have seen tabular reports can be used to generate horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, pie chart, but cannot be used for scatter chart, gauge and metric chart, right? Okay, now see. So what we'll do, we'll create new dashboard. So see, here we'll copy for chart first, like this. Okay, now we'll add reports. So see, so we will add table report, right? Tabular report. Okay, so see, we'll drag and drop. So see, it is showing some error. So the error we will resolve. Okay. Now see, here we have seen tabular reports can be used to generate horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, pie chart. So far, horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, pie chart, there is no issue, right? Still, here we are getting some error, right? What is the error? See, this report cannot be used as a source for this component. If it is summary or matrix report, add one or more groupings in the report. If it is a tabular report with a row limit, specify the dashboard settings in the report, right? So two things we have to add. First thing is we have to add row limit in report, and then we have to add dashboard settings, right? Row limit and dashboard setting. There are two things we have to add in our report. So see what we will do. We'll save this dashboard first. So see, we'll give some name, test 1 table report dashboard. We will save in this folder my personal dashboards. Now we'll click on save. Okay, so see, we'll click on close, save and close. We'll click on this go to dashboard list. Okay, so see, two dashboards we have created, right? Now we'll go to report. So see, here we have folder my personal custom reports. So see, here we have table report, right? Test 1 table report. Okay, so see, we'll click on customize. Now see, two things we have to add. First thing is row limit, and then we have to add dashboard settings. So see, here in filters we have this option. So see, here we can add row limit, and we can add row limit up to 99. Okay, we'll click on OK. Okay, so row limit we have added, right? Now see, second thing is dashboard setting. So when we have added this row limit, we got this option dashboard settings, right? Now we'll click on dashboard setting. Okay, now see, for tabular reports that have a limited row count, choose a name and value to use in dashboard tables and charts. Tables show both name and value. Charts are grouped by name. So see, in tables we will have both name and value, and charts are grouped by name, right? So see, name will add, so we'll take type. Okay, now see, for value it is showing one error, right? Error, this field is required, and here it is showing some suggestion, right? To add values, summarize a field or add a number, currency or boolean column to the report, right? So see, what we will do, we will add one column which has type number or currency, right? So see, here we have one field annual revenue which has type currency. So see, that will drag and drop like this, right? So that thing we have added. Okay, now again we will click on dashboard settings. Okay, here we will choose type, and here we will take annual revenue, right? Now we will click on OK. Okay, so it is done, right? Now we will click on save. We'll close it, save and close. Now see, it is done. We have made changes in our tabular report, right? Now see, my personal dashboards, we'll click on this. Okay, so see, we have created this dashboard, right? Test one table report dashboard, right? So we'll click on this. Now see, previously it was not showing the charts, right? But now it is showing charts. See, we'll click on this edit. So here you can see, previously we were not getting the charts or graphs, but now it is showing. So see, horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, line chart, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart, gauge and metric, right? So see, here it is showing error. Scatter charts cannot display tabular reports. Choose summary or matrix reports instead. To display tabular reports on a different component, set row limit and dashboard settings on the report, right? So already we have seen, see. So already we have seen tabular reports cannot be used for scatter chart, gauge and metric chart, but it can be used for other charts, horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, pie chart, funnel chart. So tabular reports can be used for this, but cannot be used for scatter chart, gauge and metric chart, right? So that's why here it is showing this error, right? For remaining graphs, we have to add row limit and dashboard setting. So already we have seen that. Okay. So we'll save it. Now we'll close it. Save and close. We'll click on this. Go to dashboard list. Okay. So see, we have seen how to create dashboard for the tabular report, right? Now third one, dashboard for the giant report. Okay. So that we'll create. So see, we'll click on new dashboard. Now we are creating dashboard for the giant report. See, so what we'll do, we'll drag and drop these charts. Like this. Now see, we'll add data sources. So see, reports, my personal custom reports, and here we have giant report, right? So see, that giant report will drag and drop. So we are getting some errors, so that we will resolve. Okay. So giant report will drag and drop. Now see, what is the error that we are getting? You must include a chart in the source giant report. So see, in giant report, we must add chart there, right? We must include chart in a giant report. So see, what we'll do, we'll save it first. Okay, we'll give some name. Test one giant report dashboard. Okay, we will save to my personal dashboards. Now we'll click on save. Okay, we'll close it. Save and close. Okay, we'll click on go to dashboard list. Okay, now see, we'll open our report. So see, our report is this, test one giant report. We will click on customize. Okay, now see, what was the error? It is mentioned there in suggestion. It was mentioned we have to add chart in our giant report. So see, we'll click on add chart. Now see, some options we have to set, and then we have to click on OK. So by this, chart is added in our giant report. Alright. Now see, we'll save it. We'll click on close. Save and close. Okay. Now we'll open our dashboard. So see, my personal dashboards. Test one giant report dashboard. Now we'll click on edit. Still it is showing some error. See, you must select use chart as defined in source report for this joint report component. So see what we have to do in settings. Here see, here we have option edit attributes. We'll click on this, and here we have option use chart as defined in source report, right? So we'll select this. Okay, we have to select this checkbox. By this, remaining options will get disabled. Now we'll click on OK. So same thing we'll do for the others. See, OK. So see, it is also visible. Now see, here we have added this vertical bar chart, right? Still it is showing horizontal bar chart because in our report we have added horizontal bar chart, right? That's why here it is showing horizontal bar chart. Though we have added vertical bar chart, line chart, still in report there is horizontal bar chart. That's why here it is showing horizontal bar chart like this. So see, though here we have selected pie chart, but in our report we have horizontal bar chart. That's why it is showing horizontal bar chart. So same thing for the others, right? Now see, one important thing, for joint report we cannot use metric and table components. See, it is important. For joint report we cannot use metric and table components. Here it is written, see, metric and table components are unavailable for joint reports, right? So we cannot use metric and table components for the joint reports. So we have seen this dashboard for joint report. So see, by this we have seen dashboard for the summary report, matrix report, tabular report and joint report, and we have seen all the possible options. Now see, next is dynamic dashboard. Now what is the meaning of this? See, here on right hand side, here we have option, see, view dashboard as. So see, if I click on this, so here we have two options, see, run as specified user and second is run as logged in user. Now what is the meaning of this? See, now see, when we will run this dashboard as a specified user, for example, suppose if we are running this dashboard for Parag Jambulkar user, so other users also will see same dashboard which is seen by Parag Jambulkar. Means whatever the permissions are provided by the Parag Jambulkar, accordingly dashboard will be generated and same dashboard can be seen by the other users. But see, when we choose another option, run as a logged in user, that means every user will have different view of the dashboard. Whatever the permissions that particular user have, accordingly that user will have view of dashboard. That is the meaning of run as logged in user. And when we choose run as a specified user, same dashboard will be available for the all the users and that dashboard will be particular to this user. So in this way we can generate dynamic dashboard by selecting this run as a logged in user. Now it is a dynamic dashboard. It will be different for the different user. Okay. So we'll click on OK. So see, we have seen dynamic dashboard. So in this way, dashboards are generated in Salesforce. Now see, dashboard is a snapshot of data. So see, when we are generating this dashboard, so at that particular time instance, it is showing the data for that particular time instance. Now see, afterwards, if we want updated dashboard, we have to refresh it, right? We have to refresh it. So we can refresh it manually or in a scheduled manner. So see, how we can refresh it manually. So see, we'll click on close, save and close. So here we have option of refresh, right? So this is manual refresh. So see, if we click on this, so new dashboard will get generated as per the new data, right? So this is manual refresh. And see, if we want to schedule it, so see, this scheduling dashboard is not available for the developer edition, but it is available for the production edition or sandbox edition. So in production edition or sandbox edition, here besides this refresh button, there will be option for the scheduling dashboard. So in this way, we have seen dashboard in Salesforce. I have tried to explain it in very simple way. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.